What up everyone, it's your boy Sprite, and today, this is gonna be another reaction everyone. So, if you're not heard of According Kinship, I will leave that in the description so you can check out his channel. But for right now, this is an upload by According Kinship. Well, he's gotten best here too, his video's kind of funny, but he have not posted video for a while. He's been gone for like, most longer. I think so. He's been gone for a while. But so he's destroyed his beehive. So I guess he's. Oh my god, I hate bees. I hate bees so much. Alright, let's just stop talking and let's jump right in this.
Alright guys, we're just outside playing with the football and my neighbor walks over. I'm like, hey, how's it going? And she is like, oh, I gotta show you something. So she goes to that tree and then she's like, yeah, so you got a beehive. Oh my god. Fat beehive over there.
Oh my
What
god.
we're about to do here is take a old big stick and we're about to smack the freak
Less than short.
out of this thing. I'm gonna do a second and then we're gonna run right back to the house. You should probably be like in the house. How you feeling about it though? Dude, ain't no bees about to scare me in my own house, man.
Well,
So
I'm scared of bees, so I hate bees.
Nah. Dude, this is. I'm like a sniper. You got it, man. When I'm rocking. Mad chicks be rocking when the G starts. And that's because my word is born. I get much fan mail. Mission failed. We'll get them next time. Oh no! Oh no! I didn't freaking get it all, dude. You didn't even hit it. I got the side of it, dude. You didn't even hit it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I freaking. Bruh, no way. You missed. What is it doing? Like, I got like a good chunk of it. It just shattered like tissue. Dude, they're freaking out. I gotta go back out there. Oh, you better be careful, man. Corey versus the bees in the chat. Like, come over here. Oh, you busted wide open. And then I'm gonna just keep running.
Oh yeah, I've seen this video before.
If they're chasing me, I'm gonna have to loop-de-loop and then run back into the house. But we need the bat. Just hit it, man. This is all you. 3, 2. How you doing? There's a beehive thing. Like a very aggressive wasp nest in this. Yeah, right here. Oh, I see. God, that thing's huge. Yeah. It looks like a coconut. Wow. Well, don't mess with them.
Well, you can't tell them what to do, bro.
So you know on PUBG,
Hey, if someone tells you what to do, hey, like you said, well, you can't tell me what to do. Why should you pick your own side? Yeah.
can run and jump to Superman. I feel like our best opportunity is to do this all in one swoop. Okay. So you're gonna sneak up. You want to sneak up on the bat? No, I'm gonna book it for the bat. I wish you luck. If you see him chase me, just be like, swoo! Okay. Alright, 3. You're good. Yeah, you gotta wait till you get a space in between.
Let's go.
I'm like a sniper. Rhymes will strike you when I'm rocking. Mad chicks be rocking whenever you're ready. And that's because my word is born. I get much fan mail. Are you?
Let's go.
That was it. That was it.
Oh.
disintegrated.
Gone.
What's up, everybody?
Shut up. Alright. Yeah, that bee was kind of scary, but I still hate bees. Cause if that bee get close to me, oh, I'm back to my house. Cause don't want it. Ignore them. Anyway, hey, if you're scared of the bee, you know what to do. You can just run back to your house. Like you should be in the house where a cord can just said. Yep, he destroyed. I don't want beehive get in my house, okay? So, how about for alright everyone. Thanks for watching. Hey, let's wait. Only get just one like. I need bunch of likes. Hey, I'm not rushing, okay? Alright everyone. Thanks for watching. I will leave that in the description so you can go check his out and go subscribe to his channel and just subscribe to me. Alright? Okay, yeah. Alright, everyone. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in next video. Peace.